Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Charles Payne. This is Making Money. So the long-awaited rotation move is starting to gain some momentum, right? And, of course, you see what's happening. They're pressuring the mega-cap stocks. And it's showing shareholders, listen, are up huge in these names, really big. But we're also seeing the pressure on the broader market as well, which in a way is ironic because it will mask, and the improving breath will be masked when you see that, okay, the index is down. Now, since early August, this has actually begun. This is this red line. These are all your indices up here. I've just checked off a couple just to sort of underscore what's happening right here. Since early August, you see this? That's healthcare. It has absolutely surged like a rocket. Also, financials have come on pretty well. These lines that are turning lower, those are your three growth areas, right? Technology, communication services, and consumer discretionary. So that's the changing of the guard. Those names in the middle, though, obviously weigh the most on the market. And we'll show more than just the NASDAQ today. We always show the S&P as well. Now, once again, it's about equal weight. If you want to know what's really happening, the equal weight is sort of your thermometer. And it's holding up pretty good here. RSP, that's your equal weight. So remember, market cap gives overwhelming influence to the large cap names, and sometimes skews what's really happening. So a lot of pros like to look at equal weight. It's coming on. It hasn't been able to break out, but this is a pretty good sign, folks. Now, of course, we know 2025 has been a tale of two market years. 1 year, right here. This is where we are for the year. The S&P up 16%, NASDAQ up 22%, Russell up 10%. But since April 8th, that low, look at this. So the S&P is up 37%, NASDAQ up 54%, but the Russell is up 40%. It has absolutely been doing pretty good. A stealth rally has been really impressive and phenomenal, and certainly much stronger than most people believe. But there's a catch to this. You know, the anxiety about these non-profitable names lifting the overall market, it's really been the case. Loss-making names have dominated when it comes to small caps, right? So a lot of the traditional small caps value names haven't done well. It's been those non-profitable names. Now the pressure is on because non-profitable names are seeing a lot of profit taking. Now, of course, rotation isn't just sector to sector or large to small cap. It happens within sectors as well. And we see a sort of changing in the guard. Take a look. This is your biggest winner so far in the technology space. And one thing you'll notice, whether it's Western Digital, Teradyne, Micron, Seagate, go through all of the names. One thing you don't see here, you don't see any Mag 7 names. Not that they've fallen out of favor, but other areas have done extraordinarily well. As was the case yesterday, today. Only one tech name in the winner section, Cisco. Cisco doing pretty good out the gate. Strong number.